Have you heard the whispers online about OpenAI's newest creation, the Sora video generator? It's causing quite a stir, promising a huge money loophole and the ability to create viral videos with ease. But before you jump on the bandwagon, let's separate fact from fiction. Number 1. What is Sora Video Generator? Sora Video Generator stands as a pinnacle of innovation in AI technology, courtesy of OpenAI. At its core, Sora is a sophisticated platform powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. Its primary function is to seamlessly convert textual inputs or scripts into visually stunning video content. Through a combination of intricate algorithms, Sora is capable of producing captivating videos complete with animations, visuals, and even voiceovers. This convergence of AI and video production revolutionizes the creative process, offering creators unprecedented efficiency and speed in bringing their ideas to life. Number 2. Can you really make money with Sora? The allure of making money with Sora is undeniable, yet it's imperative to approach this prospect with a degree of caution. While Sora does present avenues for monetization, success hinges on several factors beyond the tool itself. Understanding the target audience, crafting compelling content, and implementing effective marketing strategies are pivotal components of monetizing Sora-generated videos. While Sora streamlines content creation, it serves as merely one aspect of a multifaceted approach to establishing a sustainable income stream. Number 3. The reality of making money with videos. Monetizing videos extends beyond mere automation. It necessitates a profound understanding of audience preferences and engagement. While Sora facilitates the production process, creators must prioritize delivering content that resonates deeply with viewers. This entails crafting high-quality, engaging videos capable of capturing attention and prompting action. Furthermore, deploying effective distribution and promotion strategies is crucial for maximizing the revenue potential of video content. Number 4. Producing videos for businesses. Businesses often demand bespoke video content tailored to their unique brand identity and marketing objectives. While Sora provides a solid foundation for video production, delivering professional-grade content often requires collaboration with skilled professionals in various domains such as videography, editing, and storytelling. By synergizing Sora's capabilities with human expertise, businesses can create impactful video campaigns that effectively convey their message and drive tangible results. Number 5. Master rights and selling content. The concept of selling content with master rights presents an enticing opportunity for creators to monetize their creations beyond conventional channels. However, achieving success in this endeavor entails meticulous consideration of market demand, competitive landscape, and legal intricacies. Creators must ensure that their content possesses originality, value, and resonance with potential buyers. Additionally, navigating the labyrinth of copyright laws and licensing agreements is imperative for safeguarding intellectual property rights and optimizing profitability. Number 6. Don't be blinded by the hype. While Sora undoubtedly presents promising opportunities, it's crucial not to succumb to the allure of instant success. The notion of achieving overnight wealth through Sora's capabilities should be met with a healthy dose of skepticism. Building a sustainable income stream in the realm of video content creation requires dedication, persistence, and a long-term perspective. Creators must understand that success is a gradual process, requiring consistent effort and refinement of skills. While Sora can streamline certain aspects of content creation, true success stems from the quality, relevance, and resonance of the content produced. Number 7. Focus on building real value. Instead of chasing fleeting trends or shortcuts, creators should prioritize delivering genuine value to their audience. Building a loyal following and cultivating meaningful connections with viewers are essential ingredients for long-term success. Creators should take the time to understand their audience's needs, preferences, and pain points, crafting content that addresses these aspects effectively. Whether through educational, entertaining, or inspiring content, creators can establish themselves as trusted authorities in their niche, fostering a community that values and engages with their content consistently. Number 8. Remember, success takes time and effort. Achieving success in the digital landscape is a journey that requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. While tools like Sora can facilitate content creation, true mastery and differentiation come from ongoing effort and adaptation. Creators must stay attuned to shifts in audience behavior, emerging trends, and evolving platforms. By remaining agile and receptive to feedback, creators can iteratively refine their content and strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, success is not an overnight phenomenon, but the result of sustained effort and commitment to excellence. Number 9. Sora can be a tool, not a shortcut. While Sora's capabilities are impressive, it's essential to recognize it as a tool rather than a panacea for success. Creators should leverage Sora's automation features to streamline their workflow and enhance productivity. However, they must complement its output with their creativity, expertise, and unique perspective. Human intuition and ingenuity play a vital role in crafting compelling narratives, visuals, and messages that resonate with audiences on a deeper level. By harnessing the synergies between AI technology and human creativity, creators can unlock the full potential of Sora while maintaining authenticity and relevance in their content. Number 10. Explore your creativity with caution. While Sora empowers creators with unprecedented creative possibilities, it's essential to wield this technology responsibly and ethically. Avoid falling into the trap of over-reliance on automation at the expense of originality and authenticity. Instead, use Sora as a catalyst for exploration and experimentation, pushing the boundaries of creativity while retaining a mindful approach. Creators should strive to strike a balance between leveraging Sora's capabilities and preserving their artistic integrity. By embracing creativity with caution and intentionality, creators can harness the transformative potential of Sora while ensuring the integrity and authenticity of their content. Number 11. Keep learning and evolving. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, continuous learning and adaptation are not just advantageous, but imperative for creators aiming to stay ahead of the curve. The online content creation space is dynamic, with new technologies, platforms, and audience preferences constantly emerging. To remain relevant and competitive, creators must commit to ongoing education and skill development. Keeping abreast of emerging trends, technological advancements, and best practices is essential for maintaining relevance and innovation. Whether it's attending industry conferences, participating in workshops, or engaging with online communities, creators should actively seek out opportunities to expand their knowledge base and skill set. Moreover, staying attuned to changes in audience behavior and preferences is crucial for tailoring content strategies effectively. Analyzing metrics, gathering feedback, and observing trends can provide valuable insights into evolving audience needs and interests, enabling creators to adapt their content accordingly. Number 12. Don't be afraid to experiment. Creativity thrives on experimentation and exploration. Creators should embrace a mindset of curiosity and fearlessness, unafraid to push the boundaries of their creativity and explore new ideas, techniques, and formats. As we conclude our exploration of Sora Video Generator and its potential for monetization, remember that while technology can be a powerful enabler, true success is built on a foundation of creativity, authenticity, and dedication. By leveraging Sora's capabilities responsibly and strategically, if you found this discussion insightful, be sure to subscribe for more valuable insights and updates on navigating the intersection of technology and creativity. Until next time, keep creating, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.